Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video I'll show you guys how can you scan a Wi-Fi QR code in laptop and PC. Now unfortunately there isn't a direct way to do it so like your mobile device. So what you need to do is you want to take a screenshot of your Wi-Fi network or your connections or the QR code and then send it in the file version. Once you have actually sent it, or once you've actually sent it on PC, or you could actually email them as well, and then you just want to make sure to tap on it and download it. Now in my case I've used Telegram, and after which you want to exit out of this page and you want to go to the download section. So right on this page you could actually find the image that you've actually downloaded. Here it is. Now what you want to do is after which you want to exit out of this page. So basically you have to make sure that there isn't any of these items apart from the QR code. So what I'm going to do is just take a screenshot of this QR code only, just like this. You could see that I've actually taken a QR code. I've actually taken a screenshot. Now once again open up the particular file and go to choose file. Now you want to go to the picture section since we have taken a screenshot, and then upload the QR code here. After which you want to make sure to refresh it here. And then you could go to this section where you could actually go and type in QR code scanner read and all. Now click on scan now, and then you just have to go ahead and drag and drop the photo. This is the scanner, and click on copy result. So here you could see the information. So you could see this right in between thing here. This is the password, or you could actually call it a security key. Now all you need to do is make sure to click on the copy, or you could just click on copy result. And then what next you want to do is you want to exit out of this page and make sure to go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi icon at the bottom, and or else you could just simply go to the settings and connect it by entering the network. So go to network and internet and go to Wi-Fi and make sure to go ahead and connect it, and here you want to go ahead and type in the password or the information that you've recently copied. Once again I repeat, make sure that you've only selected the particular fees that is after the column and that ends with the column itself. So here you could see there is the column itself. All of these entire thing is not the password. However, you have to be careful when you have chosen the password correctly. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.